Okay, I got a truly amazing gadget. First one I've ever seen it use. This is a solar powered fan, and I'm pretty impressed so far. It's, I don't want to say name brands, but it's that brand, and this is 15 watt, 12 volt, matched with the 15 watt, 12 volt double caged fan. And this can be used for many things: garages, chicken coops, greenhouses. I'm going to test this in a greenhouse, and then I'm going to probably put it on a chicken coop right there. That's already off the grid, and this will provide ambient air intake whenever it's needed to ventilate the chicken coop or greenhouse. And you can see they've sold it with this inverted uh, enclosure pan with mounts right on it, so you can cut it to fit. And before we go any further, let's just give a demo of this, because I was pretty impressed with the power and uh, velocity of these fans. You can probably hear how well those are whizzing. And I tell you what, they're really going. Some blades of grass so you can see. And that's just off the sun. No, no, look how quick that slows down though when there's shade, hey? Isn't that interesting? Good to know. So it's full sun or nothing pretty much with this. Of course, a person could modify that to run only one fan and I think I'll try it just like it is. This isn't facing the sun very well either. This would be much better. It didn't come with any mounts or anything. Just these peculiar square protection tabs. But yeah, there you go. I'm going to try it out. It was, I don't know, like 35 bucks off a large established online retailer, to say no more there. Boy, that's the thing about solar. Even a small degradation of the available area, and you ain't got it. Just even the size of my hand. Look at that. And they're barely spinning. They are spinning, but they're barely spinning. Interesting. Good to know. So you want a southern exposure of the sun without any shade, for sure. Okay, guys. Lots more to come. See you soon.